The science behind breathwork is just as compelling as meditation. Research has shown that deep breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation and recovery. Certain techniques, like box breathing and alternate nostril breathing, can lower cortisol levels almost instantly, making them powerful tools for stress relief. But breathwork doesn't just calm you down, it can also energize you. Methods like the Wim Hof breathing technique involve rapid, deep breaths followed by breath retention, which floods the body with oxygen and releases adrenaline. This can create a heightened sense of awareness, increased endurance, and even a feeling of euphoria. Some studies suggest that breathwork can influence brain wave activity, shifting the brain into states similar to deep meditation much more quickly. This means that, for some people, breathwork might be a faster route to altered states of consciousness than traditional meditation. Meditation versus breathwork, which works faster? One of the biggest differences between meditation and breathwork is how quickly they take effect. Meditation is a long-term practice. While even a single session can bring noticeable relaxation, the real benefits come with consistent practice over weeks, months, and even years. It's a slow and steady process of rewiring the brain and reshaping habitual thought patterns. Breathwork, on the other hand, often produces immediate effects. A few minutes of controlled breathing can rapidly change your emotional and physiological state. Whether you're looking for calmness or a quick energy boost, breathwork can deliver results in real time. So, if you're looking for a practice that can instantly shift your mood and energy levels, breathwork might be the better option. But if you're seeking deeper, long-lasting changes in how you think and feel, meditation might be the way to go. Which one is better for stress and anxiety? Both meditation and breathwork are highly effective at reducing stress and anxiety, but they do so in different ways. Breathwork, on the other hand, works by changing your physiological response to stress. When you're anxious, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid, which signals to your body that you're in danger. Breathwork techniques can quickly override this response, slowing the heart rate and calming the nervous system in a matter of minutes. Which one should you choose? If you want quick results, breathwork is the way to go. It's a powerful tool for shifting your state in just a few minutes, whether you need to relax, energize, or clear your mind. If you're looking for deep, lasting transformation, meditation is the better choice. While it takes longer to see results, the long-term benefits are profound. But here's the secret: you don't actually have to choose. There's no rule that says you can't do both. In fact, experimenting with both practices might be the best way to find out what works best for you.